Hi there, I'm Graham Lewis, and in this video we're going to show and discuss and practice how to multiply mixed fractions, mixed numbers. So like in question 1 there, 2 1/4 times 3 1/3. Now my advice when you're doing this is just to change them into what I call top-heavy fractions or improper fractions, and then just do it like we did in the fractions video earlier. So 2 is the same as 8 divided by 4. And 1/4, so I've got 8/4, add 1/4 there, and 3 expressed as thirds is 9 divided by 3. Just using equivalent fractions there. You don't have to show this step. I know many of you will go straight to 9 over 4, which is 2 1/4, times 10 over 3, which is 3 1/3. So you don't need to write this line down. I was just showing how you get 9/4 and 10/3 using equivalent fractions. You can always check it as well, because 4 into 9 goes twice, remainder 1, so you can see it's right. And 3 into 10 goes 3 times, remainder 1, still divided by the 3. So now you can just use the laws. I'm going to choose to cancel. So 9 over 3 is the same as 3 over 1. And 10 over 4, 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 4 twice. So you can cancel those to make your life easier. And so 3 times 5 on top is 15, and 2 times 1 on the bottom is 2. If you choose not to cancel, it will still work. 9/4 times 10/3. You will get 9 times 10 is 90, 4 times 3 is 12, and then divide top and bottom by 6, and you'll get 15 over 2, the same answer, look. We shouldn't leave our answer as 15 over 2. We should write it as a mixed number. So 2 goes into 15 7 times, remainder 1, so 7.5, which you know 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 anyway. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. So why don't you try number 2 on your own? Pause the video and try it now. Okay, so I'm going to go through number 2. I'm going to show this middle step here, which some of you may choose not to show. So 1 written as 6 is 6/6. Add 5/6. Times, and 3 written as quarters is clearly 12 over 4. 12 over 4 is 3, plus 3/4. So most of you, I'm sure, will jump to this line. You've got 11/6 times 15/4. Let's see if we can cancel anything. Yes, we can. 3 goes into 6 and 3 goes into 15, so that will make our lives easier. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. I think that's it. We can't cancel anything else. So 11 times 5 is 55. Divided by 2 times 4 is 8. And I'm left with 55 divided by 8. So how many times does 8 go into 55? Well, have a think about that. So how many times does 8 go into 55? This is where your times tables are so useful. 6 times 8 is 48. So it goes in 6 times. And you can see the remainder is 7. 48 up to 55 is 7. Still needs to be divided by the 8. That's it. That's all there is to multiplying mixed numbers. Change them into improper fractions, or as I call them, top-heavy, because the top number is bigger than the bottom number, and then just simplify it down. Okay, good luck with your practice, and you're ready for the final fractions video on dividing fractions.